Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Venmo business profile and payment settings, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open the Venmo app on your mobile device. Log into your personal account if you haven't already. On the home screen, locate the menu icon, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner. Tap on the menu icon to reveal additional options. Scroll down and select Manage Balance. Next, tap on Switch to Business Profile. Follow the prompts to create a business profile. Enter the required information about your business, including name and category. Review your business details for accuracy and then tap Create Business Profile. Your business profile is now set up. Next, go to your profile page by tapping on your profile picture in the top right corner. Here, you will find your business profile information, including payment settings. To adjust your payment settings, tap on Payment Preferences. Review the options for payment methods, such as accepting credit or debit cards. Decide if you want to enable or disable features like payment requests or invoice sending. Make your selections and ensure they align with how you want to conduct business. If you plan to accept payments via QR codes, locate the QR code option on your profile. Follow the prompts to generate a QR code for easy transactions. To set up transaction notifications, return to the main menu and select Notifications. Toggle on or off the alerts that you wish to receive related to payments and transactions. Finally, review all your settings one last time to ensure everything is configured correctly. Once confirmed, your Venmo business profile and payment settings are fully set up and ready for transactions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.